guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable camera access on your Windows 11 PC or in your laptop. So for this guys, first as you can see I am going to open my camera. So my camera was not opening. I want to disable the access of this camera in my Windows 11. To disable the camera access on your Windows 11, first of all what you need to do guys, just you need to open your Windows 11 settings. So with this help of shortcut key guys, you can open the settings, hold Windows key button and press I like this. And in the settings guys, in the left panel you can get the option privacy and security. Just click and open it, and here in the app permission you can see camera. Just open that option, okay, and here you can get the option camera access. As you can see, just you need to disable this option, that's it. So now when you open the camera on your Windows 11, you can get this type of error. As you can see guys, we need your permission to, from here you can easily disable the camera access on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.